Good afternoon everyone, I am Anshit Raj. Welcome to our new channel Science Volcano. Today we are going to make hologram projector with the help of transparent sheet, cardboard, scissors, pen and pencil for marking, and scale for marking, and glue for pasting. So let's start by marking our cardboard boards. Now we are going to mark our cardboard. Remember, we have to mark it diagonally. Like this. We have to mark in all. Now we have these are where we have to do cut, in which we have to put our this transparent sheet. Now we will mark out this for where we have to keep our phone. Rectangularly we have to mark it. Now we will cut it. See how I paste it? I first paste it in this way on this background, and then this one. After pasting, I have put a transparent sheet on it. Now we are going to paste it using glue. See, so we have pasted our this cardboard where we have to put our phone. See how I put on the transparent sheet. And the project is ready. Now we will test it. Let's test. See, we are showing the earth using phone. See the hologram of earth showing in the transparent sheet. So our project success. So make the project at home and see how wonderful it is. If you like our project, then click the like button and subscribe our channel Science Volcano, and press that bell icon button. Thank you. Have a nice day. Meet you next weekend.